Septic tank rappers, I might have to flush some real shit. Peep the honey dip, ooh, I might have to bust it real quick. Don't know about spitting facts, but I'm a pro at speaking.
Hey y'all, how's it going? Howdy! Welcome back to my channel. This week, I'm coming to you with a styling and fashion related video. I haven't done one of these in a while. I'm gonna show you guys 5 different ways on how you can transform your basic simple clothes into really cute outfits. Obviously, I tried to pick clothing items that everyone has in their closet, just basic closet essentials, and then we worked our way up from that. I shared some of my secret tips on how I like to spice up my really basic outfits into something that really just stands out and pops out when you're walking in the street and you get heads turning. I'm gonna share all those little secrets with you guys. Outfit, I'm wearing a little black dress, something that I've had in my closet for so many years. What's great about this dress is that it already has some details to it, like the ruffles at the bottom and the top, and the strap has a little bow. For this outfit, what I'm probably gonna do is layer on something, not only because it's winter outside, but also we're trying to make our basic clothes cute. And I think layering would be the good option to go for. Okay, what's great about this sweater is, like the dress, it comes with a few details already on it, and that kind of makes my life a little bit easier. You could essentially do this with any sweater because all you need are a pair of scissors. So as you can see, this sweater is disordered. This is not what a normal sweater looks like, but that just kind of makes the outfit more interesting and more cute and more stylish. The back is longer. There's like a weird cut on the collar. I'm also gonna add on some socks because my feet are getting cold. You're gonna show a little bit of sock when you put on your shoe. I don't know why this small detail adds so much to this look, but it does. It works really well if you have no idea how to make your outfit look nicer. What you can do is literally just add on your dad's socks and it will look cute. I'm bringing back my handy dandy Doc Martens. These are just like a lifesaver, I'm not even gonna lie. As you can see, I left the socks going out a little bit so it's more noticeable, and it looks like I put in a little bit more effort when I really didn't. I added some cute little cherry earrings because they just match the outfit with that little red. And you can also add some red sunglasses if you have them. It's the little bits and bits that makes the outfit more complete and more put together. Not only is it the layering, but also the additional color really brought out this outfit and makes it stand out. So if you are gonna layer, I would recommend going for something that's either, I don't know, like has cuts or is a really bright color. Something that's gonna catch the eye and just make your outfit shine. Number 2, as you can see, this is a very boring and almost ugly outfit. It's just like, what the hell are you wearing? I'm wearing just these straight leg blue jeans that I've had for I think 3 years now, and I really like them. They're really comfortable. I mean, they're cute, but just they don't look that cute right now. On top, I'm just wearing this black sweatshirt, literally like super simple, but we're gonna spice it up. I have mentioned this trick in another video, and that is to add a layer, but instead of adding this on top like the last one, I'm gonna put this under it so you can kind of see the color. Yeah, that's kind of make you look preppy, but we're gonna dial that down a little bit with the accessories. Now this is the key step, and no, we're not gonna put this chain on our jeans, although that would work. We're not gonna use it for that. Back from the accessory station, I grabbed a few rings. I added another silver necklace with a little like pendant on it, and then I also grabbed these silver like baby hoop earrings. I kind of look like a boy. I mean, that's fine. For shoes, I'm bringing out my Docs one more time because, like I said, I can't go wrong with these. They just match and fit everything. There's another super basic outfit that just looks like you're about to like go on an Instagram photo shoot. I don't know, maybe this wouldn't match your guys' style, but this is kind of like how I dress. So I really like this personally. starting off with a regular pair of black jeans and a white tank top. This is like the black ruffly dress where it has a few ruffles and a few detailing, but any white tank top would work for this. A few months ago, I bought this like vintage pistachio green cardigan from the thrift store that I never wore because I never knew what to wear it with and I couldn't decide on how I wanted to style it. Just your grandma's cardigan, basically. If you don't have one, go to your grandma's closet. What I'm gonna do is just button the top, button like that, and I'm gonna leave the rest unbuttoned. Shoes. I'm gonna start off with shoes before I start accessorizing. I'm trying to keep it going with the vintage theme that we're going with, so I'm gonna bring out my chunky, low top, boot looking shoes. They're not really boots, these are from Dolls Kill. I got some few accessories. I'm gonna add these little, not little, but they're like medium-sized gold hoops. And then I also added some gold rings. The last touch that I'm adding to this outfit is this mini Burberry handbag. And I know that this isn't really a closet essential, like not everyone has this, but I tested this out to see if other handbags would go with this, and it's true. Exhibit A, this is a Nasty Gal mini handbag that I literally got the other day, and the tags are still on it. This is around like $20 and it still looks really cute with this outfit. And this is how you can dress up a pair of black jeans and a white tank top, throw on your grandma's cardigan, throw on some Frankenstein boots, and a cute little mini handbag, and it looks super cute. For this outfit, we're working with another pair of blue jeans and a white shirt. I realized I don't have any basic white shirts with no writing on it. The closest thing I could find was this shirt from Redone that says Redone on it. And then these jeans are from Topshop. Now these are kind of cool jeans, not gonna lie. They have like a few details like the pockets, but any pair of blue jeans would work for this. First thing I want to do is add a belt, because not only is this big on me, but it would also add more to the outfit. So we've added the belt, which kind of emphasizes our waist, kind of shows that off, which is another pro tip. I think that's one of the most basic tips, just like showing your waistline can really make not only your body look really nice, but also bring out more to the outfit. Now this shirt is a little loose and I don't like how that is, so what I'm probably gonna do is tie it in the back. This is how I like to do it. So I like to fold the top to the point of like where I want it cropped, and I'll get a hair tie, a little tail, fold it in. So this is how I usually like crop my tops if they're not cropped already. I have gotten the shoes and the accessories that are gonna pull the look together. I added some red Converse, and I know that red Converse also isn't like a closet essential, not everyone has them, but black Converse or white Converse or any white sneaker would go with this outfit. I just happened to have it and I thought it would match the red part of this outfit, and also the blue, and the blue kind of matches. So I guess like the moral of this outfit is that color coordination comes in super handy when you're trying to spice up your outfit and make it look more put together. Ta-da! The fourth spiced up outfit went from completely being bland to a little childhood inspired outfit. For the last outfit, I wanted to work with a skirt just in case you're a skirt person. Yes, this skirt is big on me. We are going to fix that. But this skirt is from Dolls Kill. On top, I have this black graphic top from Billionaires Boys Club. And that's about it. This is pretty much what we're working with. First thing I'm gonna do is tuck the shirt into the skirt. Now that the shirt is tucked in, it looks a little bit better. Like I said, we're kind of bringing out our waist. What I'm also gonna do is add a chain to this skirt. I think maybe adding a belt would look good. I added a belt, not necessarily to make the outfit look cuter, but because it looks well fitted now that my waist is kind of really set in place. How are we going to jazz this up? I've brought some accessories. I'm putting on these hand cuff earrings from Brandy Melville. Lastly, the bag. I think this is the key component to this outfit. Oh, that looks so cute. As you can see, the outfit is very dark black. We don't really have any color going on. Doesn't really look that standoutish, honestly, but with this pop of color, she's out there now, and it's so cute. I really like this outfit. This is probably my favorite outfit that I've tried on this lookbook. I really like it. A run through, what did we add? First of all, we tucked the shirt in. We added a chain. We added our belt to kind of highlight our waist. We added some dangly silver earrings with handcuff details, which kind of just brought it out a little bit more. We added some chunky boots, gave us some height. And lastly, we added a cute little pop of color. This pop of color could be anywhere in this outfit. It could be a jacket, it could be the shoes, it could be the belt. This is from Zara, and it's so cute. I like it. I like how it's very dark looking, but then this like cute little yellow purse just makes it all happy and sunshine. Well, there you have it. Those were it. Those were all my outfits. That's pretty much how I put together an outfit. I like to start off with something really basic, something that does not look good when you first wear it, and just work my way up from it. And that's what I love about fashion, is that you can just play around and get out of your comfort zone, and it's really just up to you. It's an open book. You can do whatever the hell you want. There's no like recipe that you have to follow, and you don't have to use every single one of these tips. These are just like what work for me and what I do. If you liked any of these outfits, tell me which ones in the comments. And if you also want to see more of these like styling hacks and just outfit ideas video, let me know and I'll be on my way to filming them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.